Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to delete your mud flaps and close that hole up for literally like $1. I do really like the mud flap delete look. It almost makes it look lifted. With this quick tip, guys, it's really simple to do. So just take your fender flares off to start, then you're left with a big hole. What I'm gonna be using is little drum brake seals for when you do your adjusters on a drum brake. These slot in, they're little rubber pieces. So we're gonna fill the hole with this guy. So as you guys can see, I got my mud flaps off. I haven't washed it since, see that it kind of is obvious right now. But as you can see how it fits, it just covers the hole. It's a little rubber grommet, super easy, super cheap, and makes more sense than paying 150 bucks for a rough country kit, which is crazy to me. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this real quick. Go to your local like Lordco or something and get one of these drum brake grommet. This was off my Bronco, and all I'm gonna do is just cut it. I'll show you guys. So it looks like this. Right now it's a little bit too long for the hole, so you just chop it a little bit. So I'm just gonna cut it, and just again, be careful because it is really small. Make sure your hands don't get in the way. So a little cut like that. As you guys can see, just cut it that way, and then you're gonna saw it down a bit, and then get that chunk out of there. So now it looks like this. So it's a little bit shorter, but you want to keep that round part so it looks nice. Let's clean up the hole a bit. We got our piece here, it's chopped. So we just finagle it. Work it in, get one side in, and then gotta push it in. And there you go, guys. It's really that simple. So that literally took me under a minute, the whole process. And it's just, it seals off the hole. And I'd say that's pretty dang good for under $1 and under a minute. So guys, super quick and easy DIY. Either spend the 150 or spend $1 and basically almost get the same result. I don't want to spend my money on something like that right now. It's something so minor for that much money. I know there's cheaper ones on Amazon, but right now I'll stick with this. You guys save so much money, so much time. It really is that simple. So go get yourself one of these, throw it in, and be done with it. If this helped you guys, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.